My dear friends, in this video I am going to show you a easiest binary options trading strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video to make profitable trades for yourself for lifelong. This is the exact strategy that have helped me right now to turn my $150 into $3,831, and I'm going to show you my exact trading video where I have turned $150 into $3,831. So keep on watching this video very carefully, but firstly allow me to explain you the strategy. But before explaining you this strategy, if you want to make profitable trades and want by getting free binary signals, then you can join my free Telegram channel. And if you want to copy my trades, then all the instruction to join my VIP copy trading channel is given in that free Telegram channel. So the link will be in the description of this YouTube video. So you can click on it and join my free Telegram channel. So now without doing any delay, let me explain the strategy first, and then I'll show you the exact video where I have turned $150 into $3,831 with this easiest binary options trading strategy. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to make all of these currency pair favorite that have a decent payout of 92%. Just make it yellow and all of these currency pair will appear at here. And then select this as 10. Okay, that means each of these candles are forming in 10-second time frame. After that, you need to implement this indicator that is called super trend. So just click on here and then click on super trend. Don't need to make any changes to this setting, it is fine. Once you do implement this indicator, then just click on here. Okay, and if it is flag, make it clock. Okay, and then click on here and select S5 and increase it to 10. That means your trading time frame is also going to be 10 seconds, and you can put the amount that you want to invest at here. Once you do this much, then the strategy is extremely simple. Whenever it is showing you higher, you don't need to make any trade. We'll only make trade whenever it is showing lower. But there is one extra condition that you need to follow. Whenever it is saying lower, then make sure the market is also trying to go low. Okay, it is not trying to go high. So let's say you are in this currency pair, okay, and you saw this lower, but at this time market is trying to go up. Okay, it is showing lower but market is trying to go up, you don't make any trade. But if it is saying lower and market is trying to go down, then at that exact time you make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, so what you can do is, you are in this currency pair, so switch to this currency pair. It is saying higher, ignore it. Go to another currency pair, it is saying lower and market is trying to go low, immediately make trade by clicking on lower. It is as simple as that. Okay, now what I will do is, I will keep quiet and exactly show you how I have turned $150 into $3,831 by using this exact strategy. And make sure to please like this video so that this video can reach to more people like you and me, so that it can help more people to trade binary options in a profitable way. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now I'll keep quiet and show you that video. Watch it very carefully, because it will also train your unconscious mind to make trades in this similar way. So now I'll keep quiet.